Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make half hitch mesh, also known as alternating half hitches. So let's get started. We will begin by making a row of half hitch knots up top. We will start with our first two strings. We'll take the string on the right, cross it over to form a loop, then it curls around and into that loop, and we pull that tight. And that is how we make a half hitch knot. And we're going to do that 3 more times. Next, we will make a second row of our half hitch knots, this time alternating between 2 of the previous. So we'll take these 2 strings that are in the middle between these 2 half hitches and do the exact same thing. So we cross it over, then wrap it around and through the little loop, and we pull on that to make it a little tight. And we just repeat the same process. So we take our next 2 strings, just like that. And so now we can go and make another row. This time we'll do 4 as we did just up top. So we'll take the 2 strings on the end to begin. Now, as you can see, we are starting to get that mesh design. So now we can go in and do another row of alternating half hitches. We just keep repeating this pattern until we have the desired length. We can make this same pattern by doubling up our strings when we make our half hitch knot for a whole new look. Let me show you. We use groupings of 4 and then we'll separate them into groups of 2 and repeat what we just learned. So we take the first set of 2 to cross over and around and through the little loop, pull it through and pull that tight. Like that. And so now we'll go and alternate it. So we'll take this grouping of 4 and repeat the same process. And that is just another way to make the half hitch mesh. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.